International business law is now one of the most important aspects of the modern business world, thanks to the immense growth and expansion caused by globalization. In this environment, global organizations need business law experts who can modify their business operations and adjust supply chain functions according to international business laws. This will give companies more time to focus on ensuring a smoother and timely delivery of their products and services. Level 7 Diploma in International Business Law will cover legal frameworks, company laws, international trade laws, commercial trust laws, and much more. This qualification opens doors for both on-job promotions and higher education. This qualification consists of 6 units, each carrying 20 credits. There are no lengthy enrollment requirements except a Level 6 diploma or equivalent qualification or experience in a relevant field. OTHM Level 7 Diploma in International Business Law is approved and regulated by OTHM, which is an RQF-regulated qualification that is widely accepted as an alternative to the coursework of a master's degree. Upon successfully passing the qualification, the learner will get an OTHM-regulated certificate from OTHM. This certificate will allow students to skip the coursework of the master's program and jump straight to the thesis phase.